Yeah, now the session is going to be recorded. One thing I want to tell you, कि college is closed, means there will be no physical class. We all have to go with online mode, जो virtual platform है, जो virtual class है, हमें उस पैटर्न को फॉलो करना है और उसी पैटर्न पर हमें अपनी क्लास को रन करानी है. So here I'd like to tell you what we have to do and what we have done, what the syllabus we have, how much we have covered and how much remains to go. एक सबसे important point है जो ध्यान में रखना है. When I talk about BA second year, then in BA second year we know it very well that there are the two papers. BA second year में दो पेपर है. पेपर फर्स्ट आपका ड्रामा और पेपर सेकेंड आपका नॉवेल है. एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड दैट एक्सप्लेनेशंस का जो हिस्सा है या एक्सप्लेनेशंस की जो चीजें हैं वो पेपर फर्स्ट से रिलेटेड है. और पेपर फर्स्ट में व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट पेपर फर्स्ट, रिमेंबर दैट इन पेपर फर्स्ट देयर आर द थ्री प्लेस, तीन प्लेस है और वो तीनों प्लेस बहुत सिग्निफिकेंट है. इवन I discussed with you in classroom. I shared some link. I also provided you PDF file. I also told you what you have to do to understand the beauty of that poem, that drama. तो जो पेपर फर्स्ट है वो ड्रामा है. और एंड हाउ मेनी प्लेस वी हैव थ्री प्लेस टोटल. जो बीए सेकेंड ईयर में प्लेस है वो थ्री प्लेस है. उन थ्री प्लेस में से एक विलियम शेक्सपियर का ओथेलो है. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट प्ले? विलियम शेक्सपियर ओथेलो. ओथेलो है जिसकी स्टोरी मैंने बताया था कि कैसे एक मूर डेस्टिमोना का कैरेक्टर है एंड यू फाइंड अ मूर दैट इज अ ब्लैक पर्सन. ओथेलो, then you come to know about Emilia, you also come to know about Iago, Brabantio, so many characters you find. उसकी स्टोरी को लेके I told you and I told you it's a play of William Shakespeare. So in paper first, that is a drama, you find three plays. Three plays are mentioned in our syllabus, and you will come to know the first play is Othello, a tragedy of William Shakespeare. जो पहला प्ले है उसका नाम ओथेलो है, OTHELLO. और वो भी क्या है? अ ट्रेजिडी ऑफ विलियम शेक्सपियर. विलियम शेक्सपियर की ट्रेजिडी है. एक पॉइंट. सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट दिस प्ले, विलियम शेक्सपियर्स ट्रेजिडी, I told you what the question you have to prepare, but before coming on that topic, I would like to tell you what other plays or novels you have. Now, the second play is what? The second play is, uh, you can say, She Stoops to Conquer. The second play that is in our syllabus, that is She Stoops to Conquer. जो दूसरा play है जो हमारी syllabus में है उसका नाम है She Stoops to Conquer. जो ये She Stoops to Conquer है, it's a comedy and an example of anti-sentimental comedy written by Oliver Goldsmith. ये हमारे यहाँ सिलेबस में है. तीसरा पॉइंट आपको ध्यान में रखना है, द थर्ड प्ले इज आर्म्स एंड द मैन. जो तीसरा प्ले है वो आर्म्स एंड द मैन है और उस प्ले को जॉर्ज बर्नार्ड शॉ ने लिखा. हु हैज रिटन दैट प्ले? दैट प्ले हैज बीन रिटन बाय जीबी शॉ. So I just want to tell you some important things. Whether you have to go only with these points, you have to go only with these plays, or some other parts you have to cover. Here I'd like to tell you, when I talk about these plays, you must know, yeah, you must go with what is a drama, what is the difference between the novel and drama, and you must also go with types of drama. एक पूरा सेक्शन है, जो सेक्शन ए है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. जैसे इन बीए फर्स्ट ईयर यू हैव रेड व्हाट इज पोइट्री, टाइप्स ऑफ पोइट्री, सब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म ऑफ पोइट्री, ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म ऑफ पोइट्री. In BA first year, paper second, that was prose. You came to know about types of prose. You came to know about something you can say periodical essay, formal essay, informal essay, travelogue, monologue, and some other points also you covered. So in same way in BA second year, in paper first, you must know what is play, types of play, difference between the novel and drama. You must know about some other characteristics, कुछ दूसरी भी चीजों के बारे में आपको वाकिफ होना चाहिए या जानना चाहिए. वो कौन कौन सी चीजें हैं, जैसे इफ आई टॉक अबाउट drama, then we know it very well कि broadly drama is divided into three parts: tragedy and comedy. We must know tragedy and its types. We must know comedy and its types. If I talk about tragedy, in tragedy we come to know that there is a Shakespearean tragedy, there is Greek tragedy, there is Restoration tragedy, there is modern tragedy, and there is the first tragedy, Garbada, Spanish tragedy, and even we come to know, except Spanish tragedy, there are some other types of tragedies also. So we must be familiar. Tragedy, what is tragedy and types of tragedy? Tragedy is a play, it has unhappy ending, we know it very well, but with the passage of time, we found so many types of tragedy. जैसे जैसे समय गुजरता गया, हमें ट्रेजिडी के टाइप्स भी देखने को मिलते हैं. दूसरी बात ये आती है कि क्या ट्रेजिडी ही है या ट्रेजिडी के अलावा भी किसी और पार्ट पे बात करनी है. ट्रेजिडी ट्रेजिडी के अलावा जो नावल का डेवलपमेंट हुआ, जैसे कॉमेडी है, तो कॉमेडी, व्हाट इज कॉमेडी, बेसिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ कॉमेडी, वी मस्ट नो अबाउट टाइप्स ऑफ कॉमेडी, ग्रीक कॉमेडी, शेक्सपियरियन कॉमेडी, सेंटिमेंटल कॉमेडी, एंटी सेंटिमेंटल कॉमेडी, कॉमेडी ऑफ मैन, एंटी रोमांटिक कॉमेडी, प्रॉब्लम प्ले. We must know about discussion play, drama of ideas, theater of absurd, kitchen sink drama, angry young man. Even when I assigned you assignment, I told you the first unit you will come to know. I put these points there, and you prepared your notes, you submitted your assignment. But again, I would like to tell you कि that assignment is the property of the college, that assignment is the property of the university. But you have to prepare another assignment. You have to prepare another assignment just as you have to prepare earlier one. And in this assignment, you have to go with point wise. Point wise आप बनाइए, और पहले point में you have to discuss what is drama, elements of drama. Then you have to discuss types of drama. Broadly, drama is divided into two parts: tragedy and comedy. Then you have to tell what is tragedy, types of tragedy, what is comedy, types of comedy. Some examples also. You have to go. Even I said that you have to prepare it, and I hope that you all are preparing, because I gave you the second assignment and I also posted that thing. उस चीज को मैंने पोस्ट भी किया था ग्रुप में, और मैंने कहा था कि when the college is going to be open, you have to come with the second assignment, and especially I will conduct only test. I will conduct only oral test. Yeah, I will ask the questions. You have to give the answer. And since tomorrow I will do the same. कल से हम इसी पर ही बात करेंगे, वही मैं करूँगा. Because I have done my job. I have finished my syllabus. I have completed my syllabus. And I told you, I sent you some PDF file, I sent you some videos, I sent you some link, and you came to know about the whole story, you came to know about the whole syllabus. But again, I'm telling you syllabus, and I will also deliver some lectures. उस पर कुछ ना कुछ मैं आपको बताऊंगा. But here I want to tell you, whenever you and I talk about, but whenever you and I talk about any थिंग और एनी सब्जेक्ट मैटर, स्पेशली अगर हम किसी चीज को लेके बात करते हैं, तो हमें और किन किन पॉइंट्स को ध्यान में रखना है. वी मस्ट नो विद द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ड्रामा. हमें एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ड्रामा भी कवर करना है कि स्टेज क्या है, प्लॉट क्या है, कैरेक्टर क्या है, डायलॉग क्या है, स्पेक्टेटर्स क्या है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्या है, स्टोरी क्या होता है, इवेंट क्या होता है. These things we must know. And where drama did origin, where it was originated. And after it, when I talk about some other elements of drama, yeah, some other types of drama, that is miracle play, mystery play, morality play, interlude. So You will come to know कि till now I only told you about paper first and especially यूनिट फर्स्ट ऑफ पेपर फर्स्ट। पेपर फर्स्ट के बारे में बताया गया कि पेपर फर्स्ट ड्रामा है। ड्रामा में तीन ड्रामा है। एक ड्रामा का नाम आर्म्स एंड द मैन है। एक दूसरा आर्म्स एंड द मैन को जीबी शाह ने लिखा है जो एंटी रोमांटिक कॉमेडी है, उसे हम प्रॉब्लम प्ले भी कहते हैं। एक ड्रामा है शी स्टूप्स टू कांकर रिटन बाय ओलिवर गोल्ड स्मिथ, वो दैट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एंटी सेंटिमेंटल कॉमेडी। एक ड्रामा आपका है ओथेलो दैट इज अ ट्रेजेडी रिटन बाय विलियम शेक्सपियर, वो चीजें रही हैं। Then I told you about the types of drama, elements of drama, origin of drama. Ki these points we have to keep in mind. Just I want to know your response. Ki have you any problem to understand this? किसी को इसको लेके कोई बात करनी है पेपर फर्स्ट में, किसी की कोई प्रॉब्लम? केवल अभी सिलेबस को ही मैंने बताया है। I have not gone in a very detailed way. I didn't explain anything, but I only told you about syllabus. So I just want to know, have you any query, have you any problem? जो बीए सेकेंड ईयर के जो भी स्टूडेंट दोज हु हैव जॉइंड दिस सेशन, हैव यू एनी डाउट? आपको कोई डाउट है? मे आई नो? शगुफी और यू कैन से महजबी, आयशा, रायशा, मिसबा आलम, मोहम्मद अरशद, अक्सा वारिस, and there is a girl or boy, I don't know. She has joined with number Waqar Hassan. If you have any doubt, you can tell me. अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो आप मुझे बता सकते हैं। No, I think there is no doubt. So here my suggestion is what? Here my suggestion is first you have to prepare ड्रामा एंड इट्स टाइप्स। पहले आपको जो कवर करना है वो क्या कवर करना है? ड्रामा कवर करना है और उसके टाइप्स को कवर करना। फर्स्ट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर ड्रामा एंड इट्स टाइप। ड्रामा और उसके टाइप्स को कवर करना है एंड related it, you will come to know so many lectures I delivered on various platforms and those lectures are available on my YouTube channel JS English Literary Society, उसका नाम है। even I sent you some videos also. I sent you some videos also. So what I want to say, what I want to tell you, you must be ready for oral test tomorrow. कल आपका oral test होगा और केवल एक पोर्शन कवर करेंगे, वो है ड्रामा, उसके एलिमेंट्स, उसके टाइप्स। और ये जो ड्रामा, उसके एलिमेंट्स और उसके टाइप्स होंगे, ये केवल ट्रेजिडी को लेकर के बात की जाएगी कि ट्रेजिडी क्या है, उसके टाइप्स क्या क्या है, ट्रेजिडी का फीचर्स क्या होता है, शेक्सपियर की पॉपुलर ट्रेजिडीज कौन कौन सी है। और उस ट्रेजिडीज में हम लोगों को सीनेकन ट्रेजिडी, स्पेनिश ट्रेजिडी, गार्बाडा, modern tragedy, we have to go with restoration tragedy, we have to go with Shakespearean tragedy, Greek tragedy. These points we have to cover. After it, just I want to tell you ki the particular plays which are prescribed in our syllabus, what the examiner expect, what the examiner wants to know. The examiner expects that being a student of literature, we must be familiar with the trends and movements. Being the student of literature, we must know the beauty of literature and its basic characteristics. Being the student of literature, we must know what do we find, हम लोग क्या चीज पाते हैं, especially the changes. If I talk about कि Shakespeare has written a tragedy that is Othello, we must know what is Shakespearean tragedy. Then we must know the features of Shakespearean tragedy. Do we find in Othello or not? For example, I told you tragedy means unhappy ending, a type of drama which has unhappy ending. And you come to know in the end of the play, all the prominent characters are going to die. All the prominent characters are going to die. So it has unhappy ending. Already I told you that in Shakespearean tragedy, we find masculinity. Yeah, we find that male plays significant role. जो male characters play significant role. Even you can just go with Othello, you can just go with Brabantio, you can just go with uh, this particular character Iago. They all are male characters and they play a very significant role. So in Shakespearean tragedy, heroines don't play, yeah, you can say they don't compete with male. उनका competition male से नहीं होता. Leaving only some character just as Lady Macbeth in Macbeth. So what I want to say, if you and I go first, we must know what is Shakespearean tragedy and how do you find the characteristics of Shakespearean tragedy in Othello. एक चीज. But this answer you will be able to write only in that position when you know about what? When you know about something you can say summary of the novel, not novel, but a drama, plot of the drama. If you know two or three significant points, and those points are कि जो हमारा ड्रामा है, especially if I have Othello, what the something it has, what the character it has, what the plot it has, how we can understand. If you go with these things, you will be able to understand the whole situation, the conspiracy, why Desdemona was murdered, what was the role of Iago, what was the role of Brabantio, what was the role of Othello, and some other characters, what the role they play, and what you got, especially Shakespearean tragedy is the साइकी ऑफ ह्यूमन नेचर. जो मानव स्वभाव है, उसकी जो सोच है, जो उसका मनोवैज्ञानिक सोच है, उसको चीजें आप कहाँ पे पाते हैं? यू फाइंड इन शेक्सपियर ट्रेजेडी. So if you are covering, yeah, if you are reading the drama or the play, that is Othello, it means that you are not going to know about Othello, you are not going to know about Brabantio, you are not going to know about Iago, you are not going to know about Cassio, you are not going to know about, you can say, Desdemona, Emilia. No, not at all. They are the characters in the play, but such type of characters, you find where? Such type of characters you find in, you can say, drama also. Such type of characters you find in real life also. Anyone can be Iago, anyone can be Desdemona, anyone can be Emilia, anyone can be Cassio, Brabantio. These characters we find. So characters told by William Shakespeare, they are not only characters. They are not only characters. But remember that they represent a section of society. ये समाज के एक वर्ग को represent करते हैं. That is the significant point. So if you go with Othello, if you go with William Shakespeare, keep in your mind that Shakespeare was a dramatist. But what type of dramatist? He has written 37 plays, 10 are historical plays. He has written 154 sonnets and two long narrative poems. And the plays of Shakespeare are divided into tragedies, comedies, historical play, Roman play, love tragedy, sometimes bitter comedies. So you must know what is bitter comedy. You must know what is Shakespearean tragedy, Shakespearean comedy. उसका एक एग्जाम्पल आपको दिया गया है और वो कौन सा है? दैट इज द ओथेलो. सो ओथेलो you have to read in a very detailed way, and it is also expected that you must know some dialogue. Especially I said you that you have to prepare 10 explanations. Yeah, sometimes I said that you have to prepare 20 explanations. Again, I am saying, if you have prepared 10 explanations or 20 explanations, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter because you took the book, you started to write, you copied, and you put it there, and that file is in my hand because that file is the property of university, that file is the property of the college. So that's where that's submitted in the college. But what you have to do, I already said you have to prepare another assignment and just write down. आई थिंक कि कम से कम फिर से कोशिश करिए 10 से 12 explanation and some important lines you must know. Those lines have been explained very beautifully. You must know the story, you must know the characters, you must know the plot, you must know the systematic organization of the events. मतलब यू मस्ट नो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. मेरी अपनी नजर में आपको सब कुछ जानने की कोशिश करना चाहिए और आपको एक बेहतरीन तैयारी उसकी रखना चाहिए. अगर फर्स्ट पेपर आता है कि एक्सप्लेनेशन उसमें आता है, क्वेश्चन आंसर आता है, तो यू मस्ट बी एबल टू डू दैट. अगर ऑब्जेक्टिव आता है तो उसी पैटर्न पे मैं आपका ओरल टेस्ट कंडक्ट कराऊंगा, हो सकता है कुछ रिटन टेस्ट कंडक्ट कराऊं, उस पर भी आप उस योग्य होंगे करने के लिए. तो आई थिंक कि you are getting my point. What I want to say, you are just able to understand what I'm uh, sharing with you, what I'm sharing with you. So these are the significant points. These are the important points which you have to keep in your mind. Now the second point is that is highly significant. Second point is what? The second point is that is what the second point is. She Stoops to Conquer. That is a anti-sentimental comedy, and She Stoops to Conquer, a play written by Oliver Goldsmith. It came in the age of Alexander Pope, or you can say in the age of Augustan age, from 1700 to 1745. The date of the age was. So you must just keep in your mind. And what is that thing? The important thing is that when I talk about Alexander Pope, when I talk about Sisters to Conquer, when I talk about Oliver Goldsmith, that's an example of anti-sentimental comedy. First, comedy kya hai, then anti-sentimental. It means that it's a type of comedy where there is no importance of sentiment, but it's against the sentiment. This is why you find anti-sentimental comedy. Then, what type of comedy it is? What the basic characteristic it has? उसका अपना क्या है स्टोरीज, मैंने पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया था. आई सेंट यू लिंक आल्सो, मैंने आपको लिंक भी शेयर किया था. एंड आई टोल्ड यू दैट यू हैव टू गो विद दिस लिंक, यू हैव टू रीड इट, यू मस्ट गो, यू मस्ट कवर, एंड दिस थिंग्स आई टोल्ड यू. What I want to say, what I want to tell you, whenever you go with these points, whenever you just you can say whenever you keep these things in your mind, always be ready how much these things are significant. So then the second point is what? The second point is ओलिवर गोल्ड स्मिथ और उसका कैसे है, किस एज में आया, उसकी स्टोरी क्या है, कैरेक्टर्स क्या है, दिस चीज. नाउ द थर्ड पॉइंट इज व्हाट? द थर्ड पॉइंट इज दैट इज आप कह सकते हैं आर्म्स एंड द मैन, रिटन बाय जॉर्ज बर्नार्ड शॉ. And what do you find in that play? That play is an example of anti-romantic comedy or problem play. Joshua Dosha was a dramatist of 20th century. Even in the last decade of the Victorian age, you find it published in 1898 or written in 1894. And here you find a new type of ideology, that was the ideology of romantic conflict between romantic war and realistic war. Yes, such type of ideology where you find the conflict between realistic love and romantic love. So you find Luca, you find Nicola, you find Bluntschli, you find Raina, you find Catherine, Major Petkoff, Sergius, Catherine Petkoff. These characters you find, and how beautifully things have been presented. You come to know about these things. So this was what? This was the first paper, and in the first paper, what you have to prepare, what you have to keep in your mind, how you have to go, what you have to cover. The same thing again. I would like to repeat. You must know about character. You must know what type of play it is. जैसे मैंने तीनों प्ले का बताया कि आर्म्स एंड दी मैन एंटी रोमांटिक कॉमेडी है, इसे प्रॉब्लम प्ले भी कहा जाता है। तो व्हाट इज एंटी रोमांटिक कॉमेडी, व्हाट इज प्रॉब्लम प्ले, यू मस्ट नो। मैंने आपको ये भी बताया कि जो आपका ये प्ले है शेक्सपियर का, वो शेक्सपियन ट्रेजेडी है। देन व्हाट इज शेक्सपियन ट्रेजेडी, व्हाट द बेसिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इट हैज। आई आल्सो टोल्ड यू एंटी सेंटिमेंटल कॉमेडी का एग्जांपल ओलिवर गोल्ड स्मिथ का, व्हाट इज इट, हु हैज रिटन। All these things you must know, all these things you have to go, you have to keep in your mind, you have to discuss, you have to go line by line, you have to go, you have to discuss it in a very wide way, and just cover all the points which I discussed with you. Before I will conduct the oral test, I will also tell you what you have to do, how you will be able to understand, and how much these things are significant. Now, just talking about paper second. When I talk about paper second, you come to know that in paper second there are the three novels. One is Pride and Prejudice, written by Jane Austen. That is an example of the domestic novel. That is an example of domestic novel. Then you come to know what? Then you come to know about Christmas Carol, a novel of Charles Dickens. You also come to know from the Madding Crowd, a novel that is an example of the original novel written by who? Written by uh, Thomas Hardy. So in this class, I'm only telling you about syllabus. I'm only telling you what you have to prepare. When I talk about the novel in paper second, already I told you the first unit of each paper is highly significant. In the same way, you find that in paper second, that is the novel where there are the three novels. In the first unit, you find what is the novel, types of novel. Already I told you types of novel: a picaresque novel, epistolary novel, gothic novel, psychological novel, stream of consciousness technique, domestic novel, regional novel, historical novel, realistic novel, and you come to know silver folk novel, detective novel, magic realism, cyberpunk, cyborg, science fiction, campus novel. These things I told you. Already I sent you PDF file and a video also, and I said that you have to go with these points. You have to remember, you have to go, and you have to ultimately cover what you have to do and how you can do that thing. So whenever I discuss with you any important point, whenever I talk with you, you have to remember in your mind how you can just go with these things, how you can cover what the strategy, what the plan you have, because the syllabus is very wide. But we are fortunate, we are lucky that we have completed it on time. Even you have made a very beautiful assignment. And again, I'm telling you कि just follow that particular strategy, that vigor, that vehement, जितना ऊर्जा के साथ आपने एक बार अपना तैयार किया हुआ है क्या चीज असाइनमेंट को, उसी ऊर्जा के साथ, उसी लगन के साथ आप दोबारा एक बार उसका वन लाइनर ऑब्जेक्टिव पैटर्न का मोड बनाते हुए वन लाइनर में सारे इंफॉर्मेशन को, एंड जस्ट रीड द स्टोरी अगेन एंड अगेन। जो स्टोरी है उसको बार बार पढ़िए, जस्ट रीड द समरी ऑफ द नॉवेल एंड अगेन, जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, you can say about the characters of the novel, जो नॉवेल के कैरेक्टर्स हैं उनको समझने की कोशिश करिए, वो बहुत important। when you come to know about these things you will be able to understand what you have to do। तो ये पहला लेक्चर था जिसमें मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किया कि हाँ क्या है कल का टास्क मैंने आपको दिया है, और वो टास्क क्या है, आपको ड्रामा and its elements और स्पेशली ट्रेजिडी और टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रेजिडी, उससे रिलेटेड जितना भी क्वेश्चंस है tomorrow I will discuss with you, and there is a short story also। तो शॉर्ट स्टोरी को भी हमें देखना है, लेकिन हमने पेपर फर्स्ट और पेपर सेकंड कंप्लीट करा दिया था आपको बहुत पहले, लग करके आपने भी, आपका कॉपरेशन उसमें था, आपने असाइनमेंट भी उसका तैयार किया था, बस आपको रिवाइज करना, बार बार वो चीजें रिवाइज करना। दिस इज वाई I'm not in mood to deliver. I'm not in mood to deliver any lecture, but I want to interact with you. I want to tell you what you and I have to do. Yeah, if you have any query, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yeah, if you have any suggestion, If you have any doubt, if you have any query, yes,
No,
should
sir.
I? Okay. Aisha, Shoaib, and other people who have joined this session. Tariq, I think Tariq has joined or not. Shagufi.
No, sir, कोई doubt.
Okay, okay. So we will meet tomorrow, same time, 11:30, and be ready for your first test. That will be the oral test. और मैं ओरल टेस्ट के साथ साथ एक दूसरा टेस्ट मैं कराऊंगा जो इसी पर ही होगा. आई विल जस्ट टाइप सम क्वेश्चंस एंड दैट विल बी अपलोडेड देयर. तो उसके लिए भी आप तैयार रहिएगा. एंड या meet me tomorrow. I think ki Sharik has replied me. Ki Sharik has joined this session. Bushra and Zoya. Bushra, are you present there? Zoya, Shagufi ने दिया. Okay, sir. I think कि Misbah. Misbah, are you there? No. Misbah है तो Misbah. रेहान भी है. So most welcome tomorrow. Just winding up this session. Okay.